Welcome to Digital Alteration Studio, your go-to source for mastering digital design and branding. Today, we're diving into the power of branding. We'll unpack three core components: the logo, the website, and the visual identity. Effective branding builds trust and connects you with your audience. Branding is the soul of any successful business. A strong brand increases customer loyalty and drives sales. Think of Apple. Its logo, sleek website, and design scream innovation. Let's start with the logo, the face of your brand. A logo is your brand's first impression. It needs to be memorable, versatile, and true to your identity. A great logo is simple. Think Nike's swoosh, which conveys energy in one clean stroke. Test it in black and white. Get feedback from your target audience. Your logo sets the tone for your branding journey,